Alright friends, hello again and welcome back. We're just doing a little quick walkthrough on our cupboards here, showing how well my wife can organize things and hopefully get some ideas there for you guys out there if you want to do these as well. So up here we have these little handy little things we picked up at the dollar store for $1, so I thought that was pretty amazing price there, and just lock in, throw some candy in there. Or like if you have some cough drops or something like that, these will keep them kind of fresher from going bad. So we got our have our coffee filters up here. If you have multiples, you can put the new ones in the back and do proper product rotation. So you always want to put your old stuff in the front, new products towards the back, so you don't wind up continuing to use the new products. So here we have just a collection of cups, so little cup labelers if you have people at your party. You can put these on their cups, and that way everyone knows what cup they have. Some little party forks here. Down the second row, we have our teas, and these are from the Republic of Tea. These are pretty tasty, and some come in a bag, and we just use an applesauce container. And you can get online, you can get some little labels from Amazon, but we just marked it here and put that, and that's just a little applesauce container. An easy way to get the label off applesauce container or any other jar pretty much is you take most of the paper off, and then you get a little bit of soap on some steel wool or one of those metal kind of scrub pads, and it takes it off really well. So here we have our straws. We have some metal straws and just another jar here, and then an old instant coffee container here. We have some plastic straws as well. So this is what I'm talking about with to get the labels off. This thing works amazingly well. You don't want to use it on certain dishes, but when you're using it on the glass here on these jars, put some soap on there and just scrub it. Probably some Gone would work as well, but I just use regular dish soap and this, and it comes off really well. So that's that. We have our just like a little plate holder. You can get these at Walmart or probably the dollar store, and just gives you like an extra layer in your shelf if your shelves are too far apart, and you can stack your different items. So we have our teas here, Lipton tea here on the bottom, and then other teas here in just like a little plastic container. Okay, we have our hot liquids over here, our cocoa, some candy hiding over there, some creamer for the coffees, got some honey, some instant coffee and stuff back there. And last of all, we have our spices. So if you want to, we just use like mason jars for our large quantity spices, and then towards the back have smaller ones that we don't really use as much. So if you keep the ones you use towards the front, and then if you have ones that are less popular with your family or whatever, you can put those towards the back. And these are super easy, just pull out of the way, and you can access your other spices in the back if you want to. So all these have nice little labels on them, and I think these are like salsa jars. Same technique to get the label off of there. But the mason jars work really good. They're all nice and uniform size, and you can usually get like a pack of 8 or 12 for, they're fairly inexpensive. They're not bad at all. So a nice way. They also seal to keep your spices fresh and not going bad. Anyways, that's about it for this cupboard, my friends. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.